Okay, points of the scale chart. This is for task 17. Now it says that you need to use your example from task 13 to complete this chart based on the melody you developed in task 13. Actually, I didn't make you a video for that. There isn't one for task 13. So instead, I've based it on my melody of task 12. My task 12 major key was G major. The notes in the G major scale, G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp and G. And notice that I've given them a number above there. They've also, each of those points or degrees, some people call it, also have a name, and those names will become really important as we get deeper into composing. So note 1 is also known as the tonic note, so we can write those in. The other one that you'll use a lot is note 5, which is a dominant note. Okay, let's name the others. So note 2 is the supertonic. Note 3 is the mediant. Note 4 is the subdominant. We've got note 5 as dominant. Note 6 is submediant. And note 7 is the leading note. And if you'd like to know more of why they have those names, do go and read about it, because it is really fascinating, the history behind that. Okay, for the moment though, I'm just interested in working out the relative minor key. So we still have the numbers of the points of our scale, or the degrees of our scale. And we've worked out in the previous task that the relative minor key of G major is E minor. So because it's E minor, the tonic is E. Now in the alphabet next after E, you'd expect it to be F. And it is a type of F, but because we said in the last task, major key and minor key have the same sharps, then that is not just F, it is F sharp. And then as we follow through, so essentially following through all of the other scale notes from G major, but we've just started on a different note, essentially. G, A, B, C, D. And that scale that I've written out there is called the natural minor scale. That's how to complete that chart, but you have to do it for the key that you worked on in task 13.